What's up, guys? It's February 27th, 2025. One more day to the month's over. Got another sell off. Had a gap up, closed. We went sideways for most of the day, and then we broke out with 3 legs lower. I was actually more bullish up until around this leg here, and then I was like, I don't know. And then this happened. I was like, yep, below the EMA. So that's bear. Pretty big leg one, leg two move. Leg one. What is going on with this? There we go. Okay, so bears got their leg one, leg two pretty fast. I wonder if we put it from up here. Yeah, it's a little better. Leg one, pull back, leg two. I just did the breakout point, so I saw this was a big bar. So here to here, that's met. You want to do a real leg two move, it would be here, and I'd say something like that because there's a trend line break. There's a trend line break there too. If this is the low, so that breaks trend line, but this doesn't break the prior bar's high. So a couple ways to count it. 15-minute chart breaking out below the higher time frame EMA. This is the daily EMA. This EMA is this EMA. Breaks out multiple bars in a row, producing gaps. First pullback here, opposite bar, sells off, we go sideways, gap up, sells off, rally, double top. This double top is testing the previous day's breakdown point, the opening candle's breakdown point, and it sells off and making a new low. So this is a good place to put stops. We have a three-legged rally, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Testing the breakdown point from here, this swing breaks down lower. We put in a new range now because we have a sell-off, and then we have a bull leg. So bears want a measured move of this, the bull leg here, because that's the training range. Still a long way to go. 15. We are getting far away from the EMA, so we'll see what happens. We're testing the previous breakout point now. I think I mentioned that I'd be a buyer here, but this approach is very strong. No bull bars. There's a bull bar. Yeah, bears are definitely controlling the market right now. Got 3 legs. We have multiple legs lower. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four, leg one, pull back, first trend line break, pull back, leg two. Few ways to do it. Here we are. We have a gap up. Bar one being a bull bar. Bar two, bad follow through. Bar three is a reversal bar. It's breaking out below the higher time frame EMA. Excuse me. It's breaking out below the higher time frame EMA and breaking out of the 2-bar range put in by the bulls. You could also say the range starts here, so it's backing down. Bar three trying to get its own second leg. Bar four is a pullback. Bar five breaking out below the EMA. Bar six breaking out, and bar seven follow through. And now we have 3 legs lower. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. Climactic price action. Bar eight's an inside bar. I think it's safe to get out of shorts on bar eight. Bar nine, strong bar testing the EMA. This is not what bears want to see for a bear trend day. So, and bar nine's not breaking out many things. So we think that's a vacuum test. And in trading ranges, that's vacuum tests happen in trading ranges. We have another small bar, bar 10. Small. We have leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Bar seven's a bear bar, but it has a lot of bull pressure. There's a tail, so I counted that as leg one. So big, small, big, small, big. Bar 12 inside bar, just like bar 8. Now it's for the bulls. Sells off for a few legs lower. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. This whole leg gets an attempt at a second leg here. 19, 20, 21, 22. Something's wrong with 19. This rally's not good. That could be a leg. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, pull back, leg 4. Testing the breakout point here. We're under the EMA again. This is double top wedge flag. I was more bullish around here, and then when I saw this double top wedge flag, I started to get worried, and yeah, nonetheless, I sold off. I didn't capture any of this. Been trading pretty slow, but I'm looking to start streaming again next month, and the memberships are gonna go out. I'll start posting videos, so it'll be fun. So yeah, so 23, 24 breaking up below the EMA. 25 is pullback for these 2 bars, trying to get second leg down. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Wedge bottom is support that rallies for 3 legs higher. leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. All lower highs that led to a good breakout in a bear regime here. 51 bear bar, not necessarily closing on its low, but it's closing below its midpoint. 52, 53, bad for the bears, good for the bulls. It's starting to look like a pullback, but then you get 54, that's bad. That's bad for the bulls, good for the bears. Bear bar closing on its low, and then we have really good follow through 55 through 57, leg 1, and then we have a pullback here. So leg 1, pullback, leg 2. This is breaking out below the swing low, so I think it's gonna have to get its own second leg because it's resetting the market cycle. When we ask ourselves how do we know if it's gonna get a second leg or if it's a late leg, well, we look at the context. You could argue this is a late leg, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3 into support. But we had almost all but bear bars 54 through 61, and there's multiple gaps all along here. So here are the gaps. See, there's gaps all the way here. These bear bars are not necessarily all the same size, but they are generally the same, with 61 being the biggest. These 57, 59, and 60 are the same. 54 is about the same size. So there is some order. It's not the best, but I think it's strong to get its own second leg down. 66 is a good example of a low 2. So it's a bear flag, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, pull back, leg 4. Or you could say leg 1, breaking out below this range, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, leg 4. Nonetheless, this is strong to get its own second leg. I think 66 was one of the better trades today. 23 was a good trade. I think 66 was a good trade. 54, yeah, that's a good trade too. But we could, yeah, I think 54 is a good trade. Maybe 56, 3 bear bars in a row first. We dribble down and get that second leg here. Pull back, and then we get 3 legs lower. 71 is the pullback, 73 is the pullback, 76 is the pullback. Over some measured moves, or we can see the gaps real quick. So with the gaps, in trading ranges, gaps get closed, and trends, gaps stay open. We have a big trading range here. That was barely met. Big trading range. Maybe if you put it by the swing though, the swing low. This swing low, that was met, but what about the swing high here? Swing high down here. Not met. Yeah, that's a pretty big day still. That's just an overall measured move. Then we can say we want to measure move this leg here. Top of the pullback, almost met, rally. But then we can see it's met. So you get 1-to-1 of the big leg, but you have to sit through a trading range. And I really think you should work on, like, this would be a measured move rather. A little bit sharper, but it's measuring the leg 1. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2, you short this bar, make your measured move. Then you think this is all strong to get its own second leg. 66 here, low 2, breakout. You can short here, scalp out. These bull bars look like you can get a second leg. They do, but it's not going to be symmetrical. Below the pullback here. You could say this is the pullback. I thought this was a really nice looking reversal bar. That's bar 35. I thought 35 was a good looking reversal bar, but it's bears are in charge. We're below the higher time frame regime. Here we have 1-to-1. So bulls that bought this made 1-to-1 quickly. It came back and they made another 1-to-1. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. I'm jumping all over the place. Sorry, guys. Got something stuck in my throat. Here we are. 1-to-1 met with this tick. So measure move of those 2 bars. Pretty nice breakout here. Gets 1-to-1. So there's some nice measured moves today. Today wasn't a bad day for the bears. 3 bars and pull back. 3 bars, pull back here. 1-to-1's not met. So the bull targets are kind of shallow, you know. We're in a bear regime. So yeah. Today was a quick one. Hope you guys are doing good. As you guys heard in the middle of the video, I'm starting a membership. The video is going to be in-depth. I have a list that's going to be talking about trading psychology, market cycle, trap traders, and you know, it'll lead up to, it'll be a progression between all the videos. So hope you guys have a good one. Hope you guys learned something. If you learned something, share the show. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Last day of the month. We'll finish it out strong. Thank you. Bye.